Did you ever have things go wrong and wish you could just hit a reset button and start everything over from scratch? On Cisco devices, you can do just that. It's called doing a factory reset. Basically, the factory reset deletes all customized settings and puts everything back to default. This can be a great option when you get used equipment from someone else or if you're troubleshooting network problems. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll demonstrate the process of factory resetting an 8875 video phone in 3 different ways, using the web user interface, on the LCD screen, and with the keypad of the phone. Next. To start, I've connected to the IP address of my 8875 video phone, which is 10.0.0.175. By default, you are automatically logged in as a user. In this mode, not all menu choices are available, including the factory reset option, which we need today. To illustrate the user mode view, I'll navigate to the Info and then the Debug Info tab. This is what it looks like in user mode. There is no option for a factory reset. To get the additional options, go back and click on Admin Login. In the URL, you can see the IP address of the phone now has a / and then admin. This is a second way to confirm that you are logged in as an administrator. Now you can see the factory reset option under the Info and then the Debug Info tab. Click on Factory Reset. A notification asks for you to click to confirm the factory reset for the phone. Once you do that, the phone performs a factory reset. Now, the second way to perform a factory reset on your 8875 video phone is to use the LCD screen. I'll start with a quick refresh on the screen. You can see the display of the phone now. To factory reset from the LCD screen, as a user, you come over here and tap Settings. Refresh the screen and you will see the Settings menu. The factory reset is at the bottom of this page, so scroll down. Reset the view, and this is what's displayed on the screen. The factory reset option is the last item, showing in red. Click that. A confirmation window pops up that states a factory reset will delete all the data and settings permanently, and you'll need to re-register the phone again. If you do wish to continue with the factory reset, tap the red Reset button. The final way to factory reset the 8875 phone is on the phone keypad. The timing itself is very important when doing this reset. To do this, remove power from the phone. Hold down the pound key and apply power. On the initial power up, the headset, speakerphone, and mute keys will all be illuminated. Once the mute button goes out, release the pound button and press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, *0 and the pound key. You will then see that the mute LED is illuminated once again. This means the factory reset took place. When you initially started, the mute button turned off and the headset and speakerphone were both illuminated. The minute you released the pound key and touched 1, the headset key should have turned off. If it did, that's another indication that you got the timing right for doing the factory reset. Once the phone has finished its factory reset, the welcome screen will appear, just as it did when it was first out of the box. Now you know 3 ways to factory reset your Cisco 8875 video phone. No matter which method you choose, you can easily get your phone back to those factory default settings. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.